All right, guys, we got a 2012 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter. It's got a full cam in it, built. He just bought it, and he just couldn't take it. It was way too loud. And let me show you guys what it has done on it. Got long tube headers there and there. And you guys can tell from the welding, it's not our job. It's a homemade job. There, there, there. Then it's true dual 3-inch all the way back. And you had some knockoff Flowmaster, 2 of them over there. I'll show them to you guys in a second. They were just too loud for him. He couldn't take the sound anymore. So he wanted, the drone was killing him inside. So he brought it to us and we added a Magnaflow 12469, as you guys can see right there. And then it continued the true duals. We adjusted the tips for them as good as we can without replacing them. They're 3-inch tailpipes into 4-inch roll tips out the back there and there, but we got it as lined up as we can for them, made it look a little bit better. They were all jacked up. There's the Magnaflow. There's the 2 knockoff Flowmasters that were on it. It sounded good, but it was just too loud, too drony. So we cleaned it up for him. There'll be a link in the description for the muffler. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. A 2009 Chevy Silverado. Got a big old cam in it, long tube headers. Let me show you guys. Long tube headers, there, there. As you guys can see, then it becomes true dual. And what we did on it, we only installed the muffler, a Super 50 HD. He wanted to quieten it down a little bit. It had some 44s on it. It was too loud for him. So we installed him a Super 50 right there, as you guys can see. That's all we did is install the muffler. He's got factory tailpipes that somebody else did, and 4-inch double wall tips out the back there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we took off, the Super 44s that were too loud, and replaced them with a Super 50 HD muffler, dual in, dual out. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys, okay? So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, it's already a difference. It's because of that built-in X-pipe, too. And they look good. You see the tips? They look so much better. They match up now.
I know, yeah. I used to be in his bumper all the time.
Yeah, it sounds good. Your sound decibel? Again? 111.
How long you been in trouble?
Let it idle. Let it idle. Sounds so good. I love the cam. Yeah, the tips look really good on the ground. And it'll still break in and get a little bit, we'll get a little bit louder in about 30 days once the muffler breaks in. Let you guys hear on the inside. Better? It sounds so good, true dual. Your sound decibels? 108. Let it idle. A lot quieter. Give it gas. can see the scavengers. Look at all that. All these systems we cut off all day long. You hear it when you really get on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado, cam built, long tube headers, 3-inch system. Oh, there you go. Wow. That sounds so good. He smoke.